The emergence of digitalization has not only improved the efficiency of traditional accounting system, but has also redefined how sustainability information is captured, analyzed, and communicated. Sustainable accounting, once viewed as peripheral or voluntary initiative, is now a core strategic tool for ensuring transparency, accountability, and ethical business practices. With the rise of environmental, social, and governance concerns such as stakeholders demand more accurate, timely, and verifiable information about companies' sustainable performance. Digital tools such as artificial intelligence, blockchain, big analytics, and cloud-based reporting systems have made it possible to produce sustainability disclosure that are not only transparent but also traceable and decision relevant. These innovations are driving what scholars call digital sustainability transformation to a process where digital technology integrates with sustainability objectives to create value for both business and society. So, based on this, I conducted research by using 50 respondents from various business industry in the United Arab Emirates, such as telecommunication, hospitality, hotels and restaurants, and then retail and merchandising industry. So I have here the respondent feedback for your reference. Let's see. Okay, let's dig in the respondent feedback on this research that we conduct. Based on the respondent feedback, we have here the entity type, which is medium and small entity. Why we ask for the entity type? Actually, there is more category in the entity type. We have their international, I think, large, there is more in the questionnaires, but only this two type of the entity was selected by our respondents. And why we are focusing on the entity type? Because they have the capability, of course, the medium to large entity, they have more capability on adapting to digital transformation. They have more access in digital transformation. And then the good thing, because we have more respondent coming from the medium to large scale, which is 38 respondent. Majority of the respondents was coming from medium to large. And we have 12 from the small entity. And we have here also